Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do some further follow up of the topic of polynomials. Remember last time we have studied the polynomials thoroughly, their kinds and how they are divided and how they are recognized, what sort of degree and terms are there in polynomials. If you haven't learned about the polynomials, you can go through with my previous video and it will give you the complete introduction about the polynomials within no time. So help yourself and watch that video first if you haven't gone through with the polynomials topic. Let's start with the further follow up of the polynomials. In polynomials we have different categories of addition and subtraction, division and multiplication as well. But today in this video I am going to give you the introduction of addition and subtraction, that how we can perform the addition of and subtraction of the such equations and expressions related to polynomials. There are two ways of adding the polynomials together, and there are as well the two ways to do the subtraction as well. So I am going to give you the introduction and explanation about the addition and subtraction in both ways. So let's begin. So here I have written an example for you, and we can perform this application with two methods. First of all, the first method is the vertical method, then the second one is of horizontal method. We are going to do this both method inshallah taala. So here you can see some expression are written 1 and 2 and 3, right? So three expressions are given to you as an example. All you need to do is to add them all. So first we are going to do the vertical method, and I am going to give you the explanation. So let's begin. In vertical method we are going to write the expressions in term wise form. Wherever the term is, we are going to locate and we are going to put the exact term after one another terms, so that we can get the correct answer. So we have x, then y and then z. These are the three categories over here. So we are going to write x, y and z is just for the starting and for the give you the concept. Then afterwards you will be expert inshallah taala, and you will no longer need to write these polynomials or expression variables. So over here first of all it is 4x from the first expression, and then you have plus, and then in y you have 6y, and then again addition, and then y 5z. Then this one is done. You are going to take this expression. In this you can see that it has only x and only y. Keep that in mind that you have to follow the operation as they are. You are not going to omit or remove anything. You have to put the terms as it is. Minus 3x we will write minus 3 of x, and then y we have minus 9y. Since we don't have any of the z, so we are going to plus 0, or you can leave it as it is. So plus z, 0z. Last one, this is the third one. So we are going to write since the coefficient is 1, I have already given you the expression introduction of the coefficients and variables. So here the coefficient is 1, here the coefficient is 3, so I am going to write plus 3y as it is, then minus 4z. I hope that it is clear up till here. So what we are going to do, we are going to put a bar over here and going to simply add them all. In the vertical form it is precise and clear that you can just add them all the coefficient will be added up. So 4 minus 3 it will be 1, and 1 plus 1 it will be 2x. Here you can see that 6 plus 3 is 9, and 9 minus 9 is 0. So you will write plus 0y or leave it. Then 5 plus 0, 5, minus 4 is plus 1z. So you will write only z. So answer over here you have obtained nicely 2ax plus of z. This is your required answer after adding these three expressions. So let's do the horizontal one. You will get the same answer for that. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to start the method of horizontal. First of all, horizontal method is just like this. X-axis, it is lying just parallel to x-axis. Okay, so we have already written the expressions with addition sign. This is the first expression, then plus sign minus 3x as it is, minus 9y as it is. I am putting a bracket over here just to separate these two signs, these two operations. Otherwise it will be it will not be appropriate in mathematics. So over here we will write plus bracket minus 3 of x plus bracket minus of 9y. Then the last expression over here, x plus 3y minus 4z. So according to the question, we have to first of all arrange them in such a manner that we get all the x together, all the y's together, and then similarly all the z together. So we are going to write 4x, then the second one is this one, and the third one is this. Minus 3x as it is, plus and minus gives you minus. Keep that in mind. Same sign always give you positive, alternate sign always give you negative. Same sign, plus and plus when multiply will give you positive. Alternate sign when multiply will always give you negative. So over here, and similarly minus and minus give you plus. So 4x over here, minus 3x over here, and then positive x. Now goes to y. So we will write plus 6y minus 9y and plus 3y. For z, plus 5z. No z over here, so go for the third one. Third one has minus 4z. Let's move further. Acha ji. So over here I have sort out all the variables x, y and z. So first of all 4 minus 3, or you can add them all first. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 minus 3 is 1. No, 5 minus 2 is, sorry, 5 minus 3 is 2x. Sign of a greater number, right? Then go for y. So we have in y category we have 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So we will write plus of 0 just to balance it. Then we will write plus 5 minus 4 is 1z. So here with the horizontal method as well, I have got the answer 2x plus of z. So similarly, I have written over here, this is the answer obtained by the vertical method just done before. So these are the two methods and we got the same answer. You can omit this 0 because since it has no value, but you have to just show that what you have obtained from the from adding the y category. Okay, so let's move on with the subtraction, but in the next video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment please. Allah Hafiz.